Show your, how to put your lip balm on your lips. Show it to Wawa. Show it to Wawa. Show it to Wawa. Put lip balm. Wawa, Bella is putting lip balm on her lips. Close. She will take it. No. Yan, very good. Show it to Wawa and kiss your Wawa. How about your papa? Kiss your papa. Kiss ka ni papa sa lips? Pwede ka kiss? Dahil? Say mo no, papa. Flying kiss only. Smile. Ano sasabihin kay papa at Wawa? Ano sasabihin? Ay? Miss Daddy agad. Ay? Kiss mo, papriti na kay papa muna, papriti muna. Wow. Flying kiss na. Yun na Kuya Justin. Flying kiss kay Kuya Justin. Ay, naging zombie.